Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to increase RAM in Samsung A36 or A56. If you are using A36 or A56 and now you want to increase your phone's RAM, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your device settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for device gear option. Here's that, just tap on it. Then further scroll down and you'll get the memory option. Just tap on it. Then just wait for its checking, and here just scroll down and you'll get the RAM plus. Tap on it, and here just enable the settings, and then you must have to select how much virtual memory to use. I'm going to select 8 GB from here, then select OK. So it will recommend to you to restart. Here's to turn on RAM plus. Your phone needs to restart. Just tap on restart to restart your device, and here you just have for your phone to restarting. Just wait for it. So after restarting, just open your phone and here go to storage settings, and settings just go for device here and then go for memory, and you'll get here that you have enabled RAM plus at 8 GB. So that's how you can easily increase RAM in Samsung A36 or A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.